The best way to start any side hustle is to try to figure out how to serve yourself first.
Today was probably one of my most favorite podcast interviews. I was very fortunate to interview Noah Kagan from the Sumo Group.
I've built a company with a lot of great people called AppSumo.com, which is the #1 site for software deals. The reason that email marketing is so important, so I'm gonna tie this in, is that if you have an Airbnb and you've had guests over a period of time, email marketing is a great way in general to either get them back or potentially sell them other things. So for right now, if you're an Airbnb and you don't have you're empty, wouldn't it be nice if you could communicate directly with your past customers to say, hey, do you want to pre-buy for the future? What I realized is that ever since I was a little kid, I've been really into efficiency. So like one of my favorite things in elementary school was the hypotenuse. It was the shortest distance between 2 points. I was fascinated with like how to get to school the fastest way. Yeah, I think there's a lot of productivity stuff that, people are like, how do I make more money? How do I get more done in life? And if you kind of start looking at where am I spending the majority of my time and how do I optimize that? That trickles down so that it's a huge multiplier effect. And so I can go through, do you want some examples of probably the top 5 things that everyone should do? One of the #1 thing for me is learning how to type faster. So most people, if you're not typing probably around 100 words a minute, then you're going to be as less efficient on everything else you're going to do subsequently. I can tell you about apps and I can tell you about, our business is based on promoting tools, but you can't even use the tools, then you're taking too long. So 2 ways to go improve it.
What is your one bit of advice that you would give to anybody watching, which is obviously hospitality owners, to help them boost their direct booking?
I would contact all of my previous guests and ask for a referral.